A very warm welcome to the Learning Home.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to use the strike-through function in Microsoft Word. And before I start the discussion, I'd like to bring to your notice that I'm using Microsoft 365, which is the latest version as of now. And if you're using different version of Microsoft Office, you may see a little difference in appearance. So let's get started. And the first point is, when do we need to use this feature? Imagine a situation where you want to convey to the reader that a specific text is deleted or no longer relevant in the write-up. We generally use the strike-through feature. We strike it off to show that the specific text is no longer relevant in this discussion. So there are 4 ways to do it in Microsoft Word. So the first way to use this feature is you can select the specific text which you want to strike through. Imagine a situation where we want to strike through this whole sentence. You select it, go to the Home tab, and there is option in the font group, strike through. If you just click it once, it will strike it. If you don't want to maintain it like this, just select it once again and click it once again, it will go away. If you want to maintain it, click it, remove it. The second option is using the font box. You can select this text and there is a small icon here. You can click it or you can use a shortcut called Ctrl D. And I'm going by clicking this small icon. And you will see a box appeared here, small box, and you will see a effect group, and you will see a strike through and double strike through. So first I will show you how to use a strike through. If you select it here, and here is a preview, and if you click it OK, it will strike. Second way is select it once again, remove it, same way it will be gone. If you want to use it the double strike through, again, this time I'm going through the Ctrl D. It's the same thing, and you will see the double strike through. Just click it once, it will be double striked. If you want to remove it, go again over there and just uncheck it. There is another option, shortcut, which we can use the Alt plus H plus 4. So imagine a situation where we want to use a shortcut and just select this whole sentence and press Alt, and you will see some kind of change on the screen. And here is different kind of alphabets. F is for file, H for home, and N for insert, and multiple options are there. So here I'm going to press again H, and then you will see the home tab is selected, and there are multiple numbers. So here you will press 4, then it will strike off. So I'm going to press 4 and you will see it is strike. Again, if you want to remove it by the shortcut, press Alt, H and 4, it will be gone. And the fourth and final option what I'm going to discuss is using the search box. So select the text which you want to strike off. Imagine a situation where I wish to strike off this one. Just select it, go to the search box, and if you are unable to see the search box in your Microsoft settings, press Alt press Q, it will become active. Generally it is hidden as a small icon. So here I can see it, just go there and type strike through, and you can see option here, just click it there and you will see it is striked. If you want to remove it, again select it, go there and type strike through, and it will be gone. So these are the 4 ways to use the strike through function in Microsoft Word, and hope it has given you a little idea about various ways to use the strike through function in Microsoft Word.
How you have found the video, please do write in the comment section, and if you have liked it, please do like and share. For more videos, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be notified about the upcoming videos. With this, I will say goodbye and see you soon.